Demonstration 2. Surface tension acting on water. For this experiment you will need a bowl, paper clips and vim liquid. Pour water into the bowl. Take some paper clips. Open the first paper clip completely so that you can use it to add the paper clips to the water very slowly. You can see the paper clips are floating on the top of water. Similarly, add few more paper clips to the bowl of water. Now, why do these paper clips float on water? They float because of surface tension of water. Now, what is surface tension? Surface tension is the tendency of any liquid surface to shrink into the minimum surface area possible, which means that the elastic tendency of any fluid surface to allow small objects to float on it. Now, take any dishwash liquid. Here I have taken vim liquid. You can use any other liquid dishwasher. You will see as soon as the dishwash is added, the floating paper clips drop to the bottom of the bowl almost immediately. Now, if I try to add few more paper clips, they sink to the bottom directly. But the dishwash acts as a surfactant which reduces the surface tension of